Hello everyone, I am Mehul Mali from the technical department. Today we will be discussing about the sheave replacement procedure for IGL21 machines, and this is the tool list required for the same. So we will require one Allen key 10 mm, 19 mm ratchet spanner, or we can also use fixed spanner. We will require 4 M12 bolts by 100 mm length with nuts and packings, which is used as a packing purpose to push and pull the sheave. One screwdriver and one hammer. Thank you. So now this is the video of IGL21 sheave installation procedure. Firstly, we will match the holes with the dowel pin which is on the machine, and then we will install the bolts and we will tighten it once the dowel pins have matched. These bolts which needs to be used are M12 into 100 mm. So once all the 4 M12 bolts are installed, we will slowly tighten it to ensure the sheave is moving inward in the correct position. And we will start by tightening it in crossways and alternate bolt, and we need to ensure if the sheave is moving correctly in the inward position, so that the sheave will move inwards in the correct position. So now after these bolts are completely tightened, we will install the original bolts we will install the machine bolt on the machine. All the bolts need to be screwed, and we will. So now we'll remove all the M12 bolts which we had installed. So once we tighten all these bolts needs to be completely tightened and ensure the sheave has reached its correct position. So we should tighten the bolts till we can see the dowel pin and ensure sheave has come to its final position. Okay, so this is the complete sheave replacement and installation procedure for IGL21 machine. Thank you.